हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज हम ड्राइंग बनाने वाले हैं. हमारा टॉपिक है गुड़ी पाड़वा. These are the basic things which we are going to use, like pencil, eraser, marker, and these are the watercolors which I am going to use. These are my artist grade watercolor kits. Okay, so we have to keep our paper in horizontal way. हम गुड़ी पड़वा फेस्टिवल है मराठीज़ का, वो ड्रॉ करने जा रहे हैं. दिस इज़ द फेस्टिवल जो कि यूजली दे होइस्ट अ गुड़ी at the outside of their home or at the terrace. So we are going to draw that thing. So I just draw a circle. Inside it I'm going to make a pot. They usually, what they do, they take a bamboo stick and they add some flags in it, which are of silk cloth. They decorate it with the flowers, they decorate it with the neem leaves, and usually they keep a copper or a silver pot. So I'm adding few leaves in it, and now I'm making a stick using the ruler, which is a bamboo stick. We will make it look like a bamboo with the colors. And here I'm adding silk cloth. So I'm just making waves to make it look like a cloth. It's super easy. I'm erasing some lines which are coming inside it, and just few lines I'm drawing which will look like a different color of strip in that cloth. And then I'm just making few neem leaves, like we are directly going to give the shape of the leaves with the color. I'm just making a drawing of it, and then we are going to add a garland. फूलों की माला होती है वो एक garland हम उस पर बनाएंगे. At the top also we are going to hang some garlands. So I just made curves over there, and here we are going to write the Happy Gudi Padwa. So right now I'm just, you can write it in your style, however you want to write, you can just write it. I'm just using my normal simple fonts for it, that is in caps. Okay, now I'm hanging some leaves over there, and let's outline this Happy Gudi Padwa only. We are going to outline with the marker. I'm using my thick marker for outlining this thing, and only this part we are going to outline. We are not going to outline everything. We are going to directly work with the watercolors today. I'm just making it toy so that it will look a little bit thick and bold. So in the same way I will write that Gudi and the Padwa also. Now I'm going to use my watercolors to add color in it. Let's open it. I'm going to start with the Indian yellow and the orange color, and I'm just making the flowers randomly, but it look like a flower, like a circular shape, but I'm just dabbing my brush little bit and randomly I'm making it. And I'm leaving at each yellow flower, I'm leaving one space for the orange flower. So like this I keep on adding the orange flower in it. And then I'm using the green, my sap green color for the leaves. I just outline it, and inside it I will just take little bit water and blend them so that inside it will look lighter and outside it will look darker, like this. After this I'm going to add few more leaves directly in this garland, and I'm directly using my sap green color and trying to make the shape of the leaf directly with the brush. So I'm maintaining the gap in between those leaves. You can add as many leaves as you want, that's all up to you. You can change the shape and size also of the leaf. So it's all up to you how you want to make the leaves. I'm just making very small leaves and maintaining the same gap in between each leaves. And I'm using 2 strokes of the brush for making these kinds of leaves. So like this our garland is decorated now. After this we will start working on the pot part. So for the pot, and also I'm adding some leaves in this garland, and this garland is very small, so I'm adding very small leaves. I'm just using the tip of my brush to make these kind of leaves. And yeah, again the same sap green color I'm using. Okay, so now we are going to work for the pot. What I did, I just add a clean water, and then I add little bit burnt umber in it and burnt sienna. Like edges are dark because I have used burnt sienna, and little bit Indian yellow I'm mixing it. This circle I'm going to make it with just warm colors, like I'm going to use just orange and the Indian yellow and the yellow color to make it look like that. I'm just adding the warm colors in it, and this is how we have done. I'm using just my sap green in a very light shade for these leaves. Now for these neem leaves I have used dark green color. I have mixed viridian green and sap green. Okay, so I use dark green color. Now these strips I'm just going to make blue because the cloth I'm going to make little bit look like pinkish or reddish kind of thing. You guys can choose your colors, whatever colors you want to choose you can choose. Like for the pot part also you can choose your colors, like if you want to make it look copper, so you can use burnt umber, burnt sienna, brown kind of colors. And if you want to make it look silver, so you have to use little bit white and gray for that. So this is how it's done. Now I'm just adding clean water and different kinds of color, like basically I'm using the yellow, light yellow, dark yellow, orange and red, blue and dark blue to just decorate that happy Gudi Padwa. And then like I'm making the borders with the warm colors again, and for that also I'm using just yellow, Indian yellow and little bit orange to add the depth in it. So like this I did the artwork. I hope you like this artwork. Give it a try. ड्रॉ कीजिए, बनाइए, and you can share it with me your work. I'm putting my Instagram handle in the description box. You just go and share me your work, and thank you for watching. Bye.